Here with my main man, Gustavo, okay? And Gustavo and I today are going to do something amazing. Where do we live right now?
Florida.
In Naples, Florida. And is it hot or what?
Hot.
It's hot in here. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna teach you how I use sugar, because I'm a sweet scientist, to make juice. Now I'm gonna make snow with sugar. Okay, we're gonna make snow. La 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Oh snap! It's going to work. Sing it. Don't stop singing. Ooh la la. Guys, it worked. This is one of those rare times where actual experiments do work.
Add water, it'll grow more.
No, I think that's it. Look, it got all the way to the top. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you here. I'm very excited about this. Let's put it here. Look, it's snow. You can play with it later. You guys can feel what snow looks like. I brought you snow to Naples, Florida. La 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 lo. Ooh la 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 lo. Ooh la 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 la. Boom. Chakalaka laka 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 laka.
Oh my god! It's growing. It's growing. I think a little bit. Make it grow big. Dude, look on the side. Yeah, it is. Is that real sweet? No, it's too big. It's turning into ice. Yeah, that's real. Yeah. Oh, that is weird. Yeah, it's like a gel. Is it jiggly? Yes, it's like a gel.
Guys, stand up. No, sit down. Stand up.
This looks more like gel. Yeah, it is a gel. Yeah, it is. It's a gel. Snow will come right out of that.
It's a slushy.
Oh, a snowball. Why not snow? You get snowball? You better run, Jay. Yeah, you better run, Jay. He's gonna hit you. He's gonna throw you. He's gonna hit it at you again.
So there you go, guys. Gustavo, feel it? It feels like snow.
Yes, sir.
All right, now we host Lexi is gonna read us about our science experiment. Come here, Lexi. Please stand for the camera, sweetheart. You gotta read to the crowd. My other assistant.
Instant snow polymer is made by cross-linking molecules of the sodium polyacrylate polymer. The powder is super absorbent diapers. When water is added, the individual cluster internally hydrates and expand, forming small fluffy clusters that do not cling to surrounding clusters. This appears as a powdering snow. When more water is added, the water molecules hydrate the external surface of these clusters, and the clusters begin to adhere to one another. This appears as a slush.
We met at snow in Naples, Florida. We're throughout us into the Academy, Naples Best Afterschool program, and go get us school. Peace. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, guys. So here, check it out. We're here at Team Turla After School program.